Hello, this is Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Today, I would like to share an important legal issue that many families may not be aware of, especially spouses who are separated or currently facing financial difficulties. Many people believe that in order to claim spousal maintenance, they must first get divorced. However, under Thai law, divorce is not required to claim spousal support. As long as the marriage remains legally registered, both husband and wife have a continuing legal duty to support and assist one another. Thai law imposes mutual responsibilities between spouses, including financial support, household support, care for children, and assistance when one spouse becomes ill. Importantly, the law now recognizes equality between spouses. Support is not limited to the husband. The spouse with higher financial capacity has a greater duty to assist. If one spouse refuses to contribute, withholds financial support, or uses money as leverage to pressure the other spouse into agreeing to a divorce, the injured spouse may file a claim for maintenance immediately. Another common misconception is that divorce provides more rights. In fact, after divorce, maintenance becomes post-divorce alimony, which is generally more difficult to claim, and the claimant must prove financial hardship after dissolution. Therefore, asserting your rights while still legally married is often more straightforward. When determining the amount of support, the court will consider the income and financial standing of both parties, along with relevant conduct, such as abandonment or infidelity, which may affect the calculation. Courts typically order monthly payments rather than lump sum payments, unless urgent financial needs exist, such as serious illness. Thus, if you have not divorced but your spouse refuses to provide financial support, you may file a claim under Thai law. If there are children, you may file a claim for child support within the same case. If you need legal advice or assistance with filing the claim, our legal team is here to help. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.